Hello everyone, C. Chiles here with C. Chiles Solar at my latest installation here in beautiful Taylor, South Carolina. So we're here today checking out my latest install, and as you guys can see, the panels and the installation turned out lovely. I just want to tell you, whenever you're thinking about going solar, the design of your solar system is very, very important. That's why you need to go solar with a trusted consultant. Remember, the best way to go solar is with a trusted consultant, and that's who we are here at C. Chiles Solar. Interesting fact about this homeowner, they both are school teachers, and they love the idea of using their home to create the power for their home. They love the idea of an easy lifestyle change that helps the earth. And the great thing about it, now that they're on summer vacation and quarantining at the same time, they've cut their energy costs at the perfect time. So the solar system has been turned on, and now that they're working from home and on summer vacation, now they are seeing the reduction in their utility bill, although their usage is up and above last year because of the quarantine. Again, the best way to go solar is with a trusted consultant. To get your solar, C. Chiles Solar. Book now at www.cchilessolar.com. The link will be in the description. Thank you.
To get your solar, see Chiles Solar. To get your solar, see Chiles Solar. To get your solar, see Chiles Solar. To get your solar.